As Jon Cohen at NextLaw. Question of this video is it illegal to drive without insurance? And this video is based on a very important topic regarding a no insurance ticket or charges in Ontario and whether it is illegal to drive a car without insurance. So first things first, you can take our no insurance penalty test at insurance.nextlaw.ca. Find out your penalties when you get to court. You can book a free strategy meeting with myself. My firm, NextLaw.ca, we handle hundreds of clients with no insurance charges each year, and you can only imagine the number of phone calls that we get regarding this charge. From all of those calls, I have compiled this video to answer some important questions and confusion that arise after being charged with no insurance in Ontario. So the law sees your no insurance charge in a very specific way, and they only need to prove one simple but major fact. Put simply, the province only needs to prove that you did not have a valid insurance policy at the time that the officer stopped you at the roadside. It's that simple, period. So everything other than that is generally secondary to the burden of proof from the province. So a common question is, if it is illegal, is no insurance a criminal charge? The simple answer is no. A driving with no insurance charge falls under something called the Compulsory Automobile Insurance Act. It does not fall under the Criminal Code of Canada. It will not affect your ability, for example, to get a job or impact your work visa or immigration status, etc. In fact, it's generally a major financial fine starting at $5,000 for a first offense and up to $25,000 or more. If it's not a criminal charge, then why is it considered illegal? Well, there are many different areas or acts that define laws. The Criminal Code defines the Criminal Code, right? The Compulsory Automobile Insurance Act defines the offense of driving without insurance. If you are convicted, the offense only shows up on your driving record or abstract, not on a criminal record. And generally, the maximum penalty is limited to a financial penalty. It is designed to create a general and specific deterrence. Those are legal terms. This means that the high fines, starting at $5,000, are put in place to deter not only you from committing this type of offense, but also the general public at large. So that's it. There's nothing I can do. I now have to pay this $5,000 fine. Well, absolutely not. Just because you've been charged with no insurance, it does not mean that you will be convicted of no insurance or have this $5,000 fine. The charge is just the beginning of the legal process. So now it's time to get some legal advice and proceed very carefully. So while a no insurance may seem like a traffic ticket or traffic charge that many people may not take seriously, think more about how you would function if you had to pay $5,000 plus court costs, $6,250 or more out of your bank account. So reach out, get some free legal advice. A proper law firm that specializes in no insurance may have a strategy and a legal course of action that can prevent these huge fines. And best of all, the call is free.